It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Jeep Wrangler. Our driver's door has power side mirrors, power door locks, door storage. To the left of the steering wheel, we have some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps. Rubber floor mats can be found on the floor. A manually adjusted driver's seat, jet black leather interior with Sahara embroidery in both front seats, and that three-piece hardtop over top. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side having our audio and Bluetooth controls, and to the right are the cruise control buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Next up is our infotainment screen. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our audio and Bluetooth controls, our climate control buttons. Next up we have our heated front seat buttons along with a heated steering wheel. This touchscreen also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. X out of that. Down below are the hard buttons for the infotainment screen, along with our climate control buttons with air conditioning, auto stop start, traction control, park assist, and hill descent control. Power window buttons are just there in the center, along with some power plug-ins and USB plug-ins. We also have dual cup holders, and last we'll take a peek in the center console where we have some additional storage space, no slip matting, and a deeper storage compartment down below with a USB plug-in. Starting at the front of the Wrangler, we have black tow hooks, fog lights, 18-inch alloy wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, Sahara badging. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, tinted windows, keyless entry, keyless start, the rear window wiper. Next, I'll open up our trunk here. We just have to push that button, and we're also able to open this glass top portion. In our trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger Jeep. Our passenger door has power door locks, door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The rear fans, power windows, USB ports and a power plug-in, storage down near the floor. Rubber floor mats can be found on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to lay these rear seats down flat for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.